Nice-looking shacks, eh?
Yeah. I wonder what it would take for a cat to move into one of them.
Brains, good looks, class.
Which unfortunately rules out most of us here. Plus, you forgot the most important thing, a rich owner. Let's follow little Lord Meow Meow here. Maybe you can get yourselves adopted.
Common alley cats like you can't live in one of the penthouses, so I must assume you've come here to trespass.
Us? Trespass? Why, thank you, your lordship. I don't mind if we do.
Like super, wow! This place is the cat's meow.
Yeah, this is a great pad. I feel like a real cat of property.
Well, you're going to feel like chopped kitty liver if you don't get out of here right now.
Yeah? Well, who's gonna make us leave?
Fauntleroy, are you in there?
Fauntleroy, eh? Sounds like he's as big a snob as his pal.
I don't know about snob, but he sure is big.
Not to mention hungry.
I just hate meals where I'm the main course. Quick, grab an umbrella.
Yo!
And jump! Yo! You're supposed to open the umbrella, nitwit.
Oh, right! Gee, this is great.
We're saved!
Oh, this is the life, ain't it?
Hey, look. Cleo's music store.
Terrific. What do you say we drop in on Cleo?
Sorry!
Oops!
Sorry, Cleo.
Yeah, sorry, Cleo. This wasn't what we had in mind. We were just in one of those fantastic new penthouse condos downtown.
I thought only cats with class were allowed in those places.
Meaning what?
Meaning there's no cat with that kind of class in this part of town.
Oh, yeah? Well, not only am I going to live in a classy condo, I'm going to own the whole building as well.
How you gonna do that?
I'm going to build it. Let's get a move on, guys.
Huh?
The kitty condos at beautiful junkyard estates. Okay, Mungo, dig out a little more. We gotta have a big, elegant lobby.
Riff-Raff, this is never gonna work. I'm telling you, Riff-Raff, this window is just no good.
Looks okay to me.
Yay!
Keep up the good work.
Hey, watch out for the trees, please.
Okay, guys, start her up.
This is never gonna work.
Great, Hector. A little more. Okay, cut it.
We did it!
At last, a penthouse of my own.
Well, what is that?
Welcome to Kitty Condos, Leroy.
No way you're gonna turn my junkyard into a high-rent district for cats.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Ain't no cat gonna tell this here dog what to do. Sometimes a dog's gotta show those cats who's boss.
Leroy! Look out!
Look out yourself.
Ouch!
Like I was saying, Leroy, we've got a cats-only condo here, which leaves the market wide open for an ambitious dog like yourself. What do you think?
Whoa! Riff-Raff's right. I could open my own club canine. A scheme like this could make me rich.
Oh, Riffy, I'm so excited. The grand opening of your very own condo.
Kitty condos are officially open for business.
Huh? Oh, boy.
Oh, lucky with those condos. I want one with a view. I want a 2-bedroom with a scratching post.
Step right this way, folks, into the exclusive Club Canine.
All right, folks, going up.
Oh, boy.
Here we are, folks. We've got some lovely units with a view of the oil refinery. Step right this way. Hey, guys, come on. I need some help.
Sure thing, Riff-Raff.
Next.
Okay, fellas, who's next? Only 2 vacancies left.
This is the life, ain't it, Leroy?
You said it, buddy. I got so many bones, it's gonna take me years to bury them all.
Oh, hey, Riff-Raff, where's the tennis court?
Tennis court?
It says right here there's a tennis court. No net, no rent.
Oh, that tennis court. It's right over, there. Okay, guys, emergency. We gotta build a tennis court now.
Okay, Riff-Raff, there's the net.
Great work, guys. Tennis, anyone?
What do you mean? No swimming pool! No swimming pool, no rent!
No problem, guys. It's right this way.
Keep digging, turkey!
Forty love.
Ouch! Hey! Knock it off, furball!
Who you calling furball? Dog breath.
So, how's my cat of property?
I can't keep up with all of it. The tenants want everything under the sun. Tennis courts, saunas, wall-to-wall carpeting. Huh? Oh, no!
Hey, Riff-Raff! What kind of establishment you running here? It's going to the dogs!
Hey, Leroy! Can a pooch even swim in peace here?
Oh, no! Now, calm down, guys.
I'm sure we can settle this peacefully.
I want a piece of that cat's hide!
Well, Riff-Raff, are you as fed up as I am?
You got rid of yours. Now it's my turn.
Fair's fair.
Why'd he do that?
Yeah, I thought he liked being a typhoon.
Congratulations, partner.
Out of business at last. But what's Cleo gonna think? No condo, no girlfriend.
No way. Condo or no condo, you're one of a kind.
Now she tells me.